Lucky trident. There are some lines and marks in the person's palm which tell a lot about the person and future. Usually, trident mark is not on everyone's palm, but those who get this sign on their palm are very lucky. So, if you find a trident on your palm, it means that it could signify something good. The trident marking is not found in everybody's palm, and those who have this marking in certain positions of their palm are said to be the lucky. The tridents can be in either an upward or downward direction. It is believed that the upward-facing trident gives a unique perspective and energy, while the lower-facing trident is less effective. Trident on the Mount of Venus. If the trident is found on the Mount of Venus, it indicates that the person is lucky in finding true love in his or her life. At the same time, the individual understands others' feelings and appreciates the positivity around. Trident on the lower or upper Mount of Mars. When the trident is found on the lower Mount of Mars, it indicates that the person will achieve a lot of wealth after a lot of delay and struggle. At the same time, if the trident is found on the upper Mount of Mars, it means that the person will be a successful athlete, police officer or a sports person. Trident on the Mount of the Moon. This trident present on the Mount of the Moon makes the person very strong in imagination and creative thinking. These individuals are also believed to be romantic in nature. Trident on the Mount of Jupiter. This trident's presence is an outstanding mark of success and recognition. The individuals are full of ambition and they like to lead and manage people around them. These markings are generally found in leaders. Trident on the Mount of Saturn. If the trident appears on the Mount of Saturn, it is an excellent mark of wisdom and materialistic wealth. The individuals who have this trident are said to become rich and successful in their career due to their hard work and struggle. Trident on the Mount of Sun. This trident present on the Mount of Sun is equivalent to the star formation on the palm. Presence of this sign indicates that the person is famous, rich, successful and wealthy career-wise. Trident on the Mount of Mercury. If the trident is present on the Mount of Mercury, it makes the person wealthy. They would see a rise in the position at work front and increase in responsibility due to one's business and communication skills. People who have this sign capture attention in a big crowd and their popularity increases, all thanks to their magnetic speeches and charming personality. Trident at the end of the headline. Trident at the end of the headline, if it goes to the Mount of Moon, while the side of trident goes to the Mount of Mercury, it indicates that the person's career will be very successful. It indicates that the person has great communication and business skills as well. Trident at the end of the heart line. Trident present at the end of the heart line is considered to be a very fortunate sign, especially if it ends under the Mount of Jupiter. These individuals are emotionally, mentally and physically very strong and stable when compared to the rest. This sign is found in the hands of wealthy people. Fate line that ends in a trident. If the fate line ends in a well-formed trident, it is a clear indication that the person will become highly successful and wealthy. If the trident ends at the Mount of Saturn, it significantly indicates that the person will acquire wealth through property dealings and other businesses. Trident present at end of the sun line. If there is a trident present at the end of the sun line, then person could get name, fame in his society and get wealth.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.